What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree, Leann. I'm going to wash it with the Carrot Hair moisturizing shampoo, and then the Carrot Hair conditioner. Yeah, so that's what we're about to do. It's me together. I will meet y'all back up when I am blow dried and washed and.
Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby.
They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge. The coke seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she say she singing 3D. I go in the jungle and ain't got a coat. I bet I come out with a mean. Do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Color stones in my infinity link. And in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.
Water on me like the sun of sun. Carrots, some pointers. All these commas, I want fun. Me go gunners out the jump. Me buy it all, fuck a front. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 35 to the tropics. Nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick. Nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded. Diamonds be dancing like Bobby. They dance. Don't touch it, dick like it be cocky. Don't touch it. Shroom and GC the party. We get it. Bitches gon' trend on the top. Keep trending. The way I pull up, I'ma pop it, and none of these niggas gon' stop me. Pull up, gone. Put this shit on, get a cup for the drip on my motherfucking 5. Keep low. Keep stacking your bank and get bigger. Never would. I throw some shade on no nigga. On team. Little nigga don't play with these niggas. I see the bitch picture. We up on these niggas. The huncho, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga. When I get up, we gon' ball on these niggas. Fucking shit up, cause we beat out the system. Water on me like the sun of sun. Carrots, some pointers. All these commas, I want fun. Me go gunners out the jump. Me buy it all, fuck a front. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 35 to the tropics. Nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick. Nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby.
get you over, you say that you showing up. All them spelling mistakes, I know that you drunk as fuck. All them other mistakes, let's let it be what it was. I want you to change my mind, I'm praying you pulling up. Know who you be around, I know that they teaming up. Telling you you better off leaving me in the guns.
Alright y'all, so that is the final look. I actually love it. I still don't have the curls that the Instagram models have going on right now. But we'll get there soon. Again, this hair is raw Cambodian hair. And this is like my 4th install of it. So I really love it. I learned that you shouldn't flat iron it first when you're curling it, because it loses, it like makes it flat. I like it with a little bit more body, so I really do like it. I had washed it and put some conditioner in it, the silicone mixture of it, and cut. I already had chopped the hair up because it was 24 inches, but I had to put some layers in it as well. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video.